everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how you can find working Amazon promo codes. You need Google. I would say you could also use Mozilla Firefox or Safari, anything, but just use your browser and search for Amazon promo codes and then search for it, and you'll see all these websites popping up. I'll open just a few of them. As you can see, Groupon is our first one. If we click on see code, it's gonna load. As you can see, codes here, this is the promo code, and then we have the next website, which is CouponFollow. You have $15 off, 20% off. If I click on show, they show us immediately, which is Sophia Digora. Last but not the least, Simply Codes, who have like $10 off, and they'll always like show you the best deal for that day. And this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.